Today we will learn the difference between coaching and feedback and also explore when to use what. Developing future leaders in the BPO industry requires a structured approach that emphasizes clarity, capability building, and consistent reinforcement. This slide introduces the core objective of the program, using coaching and feedback as the twin engines for leadership growth. Future leaders in BPO environments must be equipped with decision-making skills, emotional intelligence, and performance ownership. Coaching provides the developmental runway by enabling employees to think ahead, reflect on their actions, and build capability beyond task execution. Feedback complements this by calibrating behavior based on real interactions, quality evaluations, and customer impact. Together, these two practices build a leadership pipeline by translating floor-level experience into supervisory readiness. BPO ecosystems demand agility, as teams handle varying call volumes, customer emotions, and operational challenges, making consistent leadership development essential. Emerging leaders must be identified not only based on metrics like QA scores and customer satisfaction, but also based on growth mindset indicators such as adaptability, collaboration, and initiative. Structured coaching and timely feedback help leaders in training gain self-awareness, refine communication styles, and understand the operational levers driving business outcomes. This approach supports the organization's goal of reducing attrition, improving service quality, and creating a culture of continuous improvement. By introducing the purpose, tools, and expected outcomes up front, this foundation aligns every participant to the shared mission of building a scalable leadership pipeline. The combination of coaching and feedback ensures that individuals not only correct mistakes, but proactively develop skills needed to lead teams, handle escalations, influence change, and maintain customer-centric performance. Ultimately, this slide establishes the strategic rationale behind leadership development in BPO settings and prepares the audience to explore each component in depth. Coaching in the BPO environment is a future-oriented developmental practice designed to strengthen agent capability, improve performance consistency, and prepare high-potential individuals for leadership roles. Unlike feedback, which focuses on what already happened, coaching guides employees toward improved performance through reflection, discovery, and practice. In rapidly changing customer service environments, coaching must be structured yet adaptable. A proven framework is the GROW model: goal, reality, options, and will. Leaders start by clarifying the performance or skill goal, such as improving empathy statements, reducing HT without sacrificing customer satisfaction, or handling objections confidently. They then explore the agent's current reality using call recordings, QA insights, and customer verbatims. Options are developed collaboratively, encouraging agents to think critically and propose solutions. The will stage ensures commitment by identifying one actionable behavior that can be practiced in the next shift. Coaching sessions should focus on skill development rather than fault finding, aiming to strengthen judgment, confidence, and problem-solving ability. In BPO operations, coaching is also tied to core KPIs such as AHT, FCR, resolution rate, and quality scores. When executed consistently, coaching promotes ownership and reduces overdependence on supervisors. It also helps agents transition smoothly into senior roles by sharpening soft skills like active listening, conflict resolution, and situational decision-making. Effective coaching reinforces empowerment rather than compliance, enabling individuals to become self-driven contributors and future leaders. This developmental approach ensures continuous improvement across teams and creates a clear pathway for career progression within the organization. Feedback in BPO operations serves as a performance signal that reinforces desirable behavior or corrects specific actions that occurred during live interactions, quality evaluations, or customer escalations. It is typically short, targeted, and delivered in close proximity to the event being discussed. Effective feedback ensures that employees clearly understand the impact of their actions, positive or negative, on customer experience, operational metrics, and team performance. The SBI, Situation, Behavior, Impact model is a widely used structure that helps leaders deliver feedback objectively. Describe the situation, state the observed behavior, and explain the impact on the customer or business. This prevents conversations from becoming personal and keeps them focused on performance. Feedback should be balanced, highlighting strengths as well as areas requiring improvement. In BPO settings, this may include recognizing effective rapport building, compliance adherence, or accurate documentation, while also addressing issues such as call control gaps, empathy misses, or policy deviations. While feedback often resolves smaller behavioral adjustments, it becomes a gateway to coaching when repeated patterns or skill gaps emerge. Leaders must also time feedback correctly. Delivering it too late diminishes its effect, while delivering it too frequently, without structure, may overwhelm employees. Properly delivered feedback increases agent awareness, boosts accountability, and enhances performance consistency. When woven into daily operations, feedback becomes an essential building block for leadership development, as it sharpens self-awareness, aligns employees with organizational expectations, and encourages continuous improvement. This sets the foundation for identifying high-potential individuals who are responsive to guidance and ready for structured leadership development. Building a sustainable leadership pipeline in a BPO organization requires a structured cadence that integrates daily feedback, weekly coaching, and monthly stretch goals. This multi-layered approach ensures that employees receive ongoing performance signals while also developing broader capabilities required for supervisory roles. Daily feedback focuses on immediate performance refinement, quick adjustments based on call observations, QA results, or behavior cues. Weekly coaching sessions allow leaders to deep dive into skill development, using call recordings, simulations, and guided practice to strengthen capabilities such as objection handling, de-escalation, or workflow mastery. Monthly stretch goals create opportunities to apply these skills in broader contexts, such as leading a small huddle, mentoring new hires, conducting mini QA audits, or taking temporary ownership of operational tasks. Identifying high-potential candidates involves analyzing a blend of metrics: QA consistency, customer satisfaction trends, peer feedback, reliability scores, and leadership behaviors such as initiative and collaboration. Once identified, these individuals benefit from structured developmental opportunities supported by toolkits containing playbooks, shadowing templates, call evaluation checklists, and coaching logs. Progress is measured through a readiness index, quality variance trends, and demonstrated leadership behaviors in live scenarios. Over time, individuals who consistently show growth and reliability can be fast-tracked for promotion. This structured pipeline ensures that leadership readiness is based on measurable growth and demonstrated capability, reducing reliance on tenure alone. The cadence builds a culture of continuous improvement and ensures that future team leaders are not just promoted, but genuinely prepared for their roles. Use SBI when you want feedback to be crystal clear and impossible to misinterpret. You simply describe where it happened, what the person did, and what effect it had. No opinions, no assumptions, just facts that help the person understand the exact behavior you're addressing. 8 is great for fast, constructive corrections. You highlight the action they took, connect it to the impact on metrics or customers, and then paint a clear picture of what you want next time. It's short, sharp, and helps agents adjust quickly without feeling overwhelmed. The Pendleton's feedback model turns feedback into a two-way conversation. You ask the agent what they think went well, then what they think they could improve, and only then do you add your perspective. It builds confidence, self-awareness, and ownership, which is exactly what we want in future team leads. Grow works beautifully when someone needs development rather than correction. You start with the goal they're aiming for. Explore the current reality using data or QA insights, brainstorm options together, and finally agree on one concrete action for the week ahead. It creates a coaching plan, not just a feedback moment. Boost helps maintain trust because it balances what went well and what needs work. You stick to observable facts, keep the message objective, and give specific examples while everything is still fresh. It's a reliable model for consistent performance conversations. Sandwich feedback model, which is widely known. Example feedback of this model: you explain the product well. Just confirm the customer's understanding. Overall, your enthusiasm was engaging. The model starts with positive, then the improvement which was required, and then again end with positive. It's useful for nervous or sensitive team members, or when you know the feedback might sting. But be sincere. If the positives feel forced, the model loses its effect. STAR is your go-to model for recognizing great performance. You walk them through the situation, the task they had, what action they took, and the strong result they achieved. It reinforces exactly what they should keep doing and boosts morale, especially during high-volume days.